Hello guys, I just want to give you a tip on to integrate the kids. So I have two kids, boy and girls. So his name is, and the other one is Ella. Yes. So the tip is, you should find a group, socialize your kids. So socialization means find a group of kids that you will meet once a week at least. And then so they can learn something with other kids. So second, bring the kids to the playground. Third, if you have family members, you have family members like grandparents, auntie, please try to give a time with them, like spend with them without you, just them. And then try to meet at least once a week with a family. And then, yes, fourth should be, yes, bring the kids to the party, like Christmas party, anywhere, every children's party. Try to bring them. Then fifth, please, the birthday party. And what else? What kind of party, Lian? Fashion party. So second, like a costumes party, something like that. And then the last will be like, bring the kids as soon as possible to the nursery school, because believe me, it will help them a lot. So good luck guys, and God bless.